The star who became an overnight sensation after appearing on the 2018 Netflix hit series The Kissing Booth is no other than Jacob Elordi. He's made millions as an actor, and his current net worth falls somewhere between $2 and $3 million. Recently, Jacob bought a luxurious mansion worth $2 million. So, what are the most unique features of his mansion? And what is the millionaire lifestyle of Jacob Elordi like? Let's find out. One of the most amazing features of the mansion is that it is surrounded by a rainforest. There are also many palm trees inside the mansion, but the outside of the mansion feels like walking through a jungle. Jacob also enjoys a beautiful view of the ocean from his mansion, considering it's only a few yards away. Wow! Now, a house with wonderful views is what everyone desires to have. But we are not finished yet. There are many more amazing features of his mansion, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you an inside look at Jacob Elordi's $2 million luxury mansion. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Jacob Elordi is an Australian actor best known for his roles as Noah Flynn in Netflix's The Kissing Booth teen film franchise, and Nate Jacobs in the HBO series Euphoria. The actor recently bought a mansion which got the internet buzzing as it's nothing like any ordinary mansion. The 23-year-old Netflix star splurged $2 million on a Byron Bay hinterland acreage back in June, according to realestate.com. The grand estate exudes charm, elegance, and easy care living, the real estate agency shared. Additionally, the Brisbane-born actor has splashed out on a 2-hectare property 25 kilometers inland. Surrounded by rainforest and with ocean views, the pad features 3 levels, 4 bedrooms, and convenient for date afternoons with his rumored girlfriend, Kaya Gerber, a nearby citrus orchard plantation. Cute. A key feature of the mansion is that it is surrounded by trees, which gives Jacob complete privacy. The main residence includes 4 bedrooms, while the second is a self-sustained 3-bedroom cottage. Now, let's talk about Jacob's bedroom. The master bedroom is on the upper floor of the main residence and has an in-suite walk-in dressing room. The middle-level rooms are designed with an attached bathroom, including a corner spa, space shower, and toilet. Did you know his house has another wonderful feature? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Another exciting piece of news that we have to share is that Chris and Liam Hemsworth, Elise Knowles, and Hollywood heartthrob Zac Efron are all neighbors of his. As if all those features weren't enough, the mansion also comes with 115,000-liter rainwater tanks and a split-system air conditioning system. The mansion also has a stunning pool just outside the main residence. Jacob has made sure to include an indoor gym in his mansion where he trains whenever he likes. "I would never train shirtless," Elordi says in his thick Australian accent, "but from day dot, I would just rip my shirt off and have, like, headphones on playing Rage Against the Machine. I was trying to understand this mentality of what it is to be in the gym and look at yourself in the mirror and be like, fuck, I look good." Jacob Elordi has a unique millionaire lifestyle, and he is one of the greatest actors in Hollywood today. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about Jacob Elordi's amazing mansion? Which amazing feature of his mansion did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.